Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this issue within a minute. So without wasting more time, let's get started. And you can see they are showing what's the problem. Let's find out the location. We have to go to our user and app data. We have to find app data, and here is our app data. Click on local and temp. We have to find temporary folder. Yes, temp. Now we have to find isvio v9.tmp. Okay, let's find via press I, and here is the one. Now we have to delete this file, and we have to remove also in a recycle bin. I mean, we have to empty this. And now this is we are done. So if you like this video, then do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.